Hello friends, welcome back to Python series. In this video, you will see how we can access values from a list. Accessing values from list is similar to string, as index start at 0 from left side or -1 from right side. So let's understand this concept by doing a practical. Here is a variable lst which will contain some list element, that is Python, then C++, Java, or one integer value. So here is my list element. Now I want to extract some elements from index position. When I used 0, that is index, so it will extract at index position 0 the element is Python from lst variable, so it will display Python. You can also use some slicing operator. 1:4, it means we want to extract element from 1 and goes up to n-1, that is 3. So it will extract all elements at index position 1, 2 or 3. So the elements are at index position 1, that is C++, then index position 2, Java, and then 3. So all these 3 elements will be extracted. We can access a range of items in a list by using slicing operator, that is called colon. Let's take one more example. So here is a list. Now you can extract some element at index position from 2 to n-1. If you used 5, so it will goes up to 4. The last element will be n-1, so it will extract all elements from index position 2 to 4. At index position 2, the element is O. Let's see the output. So it will display O, G and R at index position 2, 3 and 4. When you use -5, so it will display all the elements from your list but exclude last 5 elements, that is -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. So all these 3 elements will be excluded and it will display only P and R. Now extract element at index position 4 and goes up to n value. So the element at index position 4 is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, that is R. And it will display all the elements from 4 to last element, that is RAM. When you use only slicing operator, so it will display all elements from your list from beginning to end. You can also use these slicing operator with some value 3, so it will display all the elements from your list, but it will skip 2 elements, it is n-1. If you use 4 here, so it will skip n-1, you can say 3 elements. So here I am using 3, so it will skip only 2 elements. So it will first display P, then skip 2 elements R and O, then next element it will display, that is G. So here is the output PGM. First element is P, then skip 2 elements, next element is G, then again skip 2 elements and next element is M. So the main difference between a list and a string is immutable, whereas list is mutable. Individual values in a string can't be changed, whereas it is possible with list. We can change elements in a list, but we cannot change any elements or value in a list. For example, here is a variable st which will contain some string value. Now I want to update at index position 1, the value is capital L. So we cannot use this statement when you print s, so it will gives you an error. So str object does not support item assignment. It means we cannot change anything in list values because string is immutable. If here I am using a variable L, now convert this string into a list. So now my string is converted into a list and it will be stored in variable L, and from variable L extract at index position 2 or update the element L at index position 2. So it will change your value at index position 2 in capital L, then print L. So let's see the change. So here you can see it will update your list values. So list is mutable, and accessing values from list is similar to string, as index start from left side or from right side. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubt or query, then you may write an email. Thank you.